Hey everybody, it's Arthur, the Barefoot Chef. And tonight, honey child, we're gonna make some Popeyes chicken sandwiches. Are you ready? All right, we've got started on our fries a little early, because y'all need to see all that. Everybody knows how to make fries. So we're gonna take up our second batch of fries right now. How's everybody doing tonight? I've got Savannah on the camera and Indigo in the house. She'll be making a cameo in just a little bit. Say hey, Indigo.
Hello.
She's our grandbaby and she's like, oh my God, you have a YouTube channel? I'm like, yeah. She said, I'm gonna have a YouTube channel. And you know what? She'll have 1 million subscribers. They are amazing. All right, fries are up. And this is not what it is. This is just what I use as a shaker. This is kosher salt, paprika, and garlic. And then, just to be safe, a little sprinkle of kosher salt. And our fries are really good, aren't they, Savannah?
Mm-hmm.
Holy cow, best fries in town. All right, so we're gonna make the Popeye sandwich. Guess what? It ain't gonna take 45 minutes waiting in line to get it, and it ain't gonna cost $5. We're gonna come back in just a second and cut up some chicken. We'll be right back. All right, so I got some chicken that's been marinating. Here's our chicken breast, and they've been marinating in Tony Creole, Tony Cerceris, Cajun Creole seasoning. This is really good stuff. You can eat this on your toast or your grits in the morning. Just a little bit of sriracha, hot sauce. Just a little bit of Mexican picante and some cayenne pepper. Now, we're gonna prepare these breasts. They've been marinating for an hour or two, and that's plenty. You smell that flavor already, Savannah?
Mm-hmm.
Can you smell that?
Smells good.
This is not one of those situations where a little goes a long ways. A lot goes a little ways. All right, stay on that while I go get us a bag. To beat these out with. Now, I'm going to, this is pretty thick. Y'all, I'm gonna cut it in half. Hopefully I won't take my finger off. And the other two, we're gonna beat them out. We may beat them out and cut some off. We'll see. All right. This looks good. This is a husband attitude adjuster. Ladies, you can get your husband's attention with a bottle of picante sauce. Either pop him upside the noggin or put it in his sweet tea. Or both. I'm looking for even cooking plus these things. You don't want your sandwich so thick you can't eat it. Alright. Now, just so these two don't feel guilty or left out. Guilty. I just feel left out.
Is that what the chicken says?
What does chicken say farts or beat it out with a picante sauce bottle. All right. Now, let's take this over to our breading station. Let me wash my hands for a minute. I don't need to, but I want to. All right, so hang in there with that. All right, so here's what we've done. We beat up some eggs. We put the same thing in there. Okay. I'm also going to put some of the Tony Chachereau.
Oh, that grease is hot.
I'm going to put it in the flour. I always mispronounce this when I'm under the pressure. So y'all, I apologize. I'm just an old redneck. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to, what stuff is in the air, ain't it, baby? Mm-hmm. I'm going to mix this up. If you'll notice that I got some flour over here, that's because our sweet indigo does not want hers spicy. She might would, but you know, I don't want to take a chance on feeding our little sweetheart something that she don't enjoy, but we do. So while I'm doing this is all-purpose flour and cornstarch. I always put cornstarch in it. It thickens it up. It makes an amazing crust. The more cornstarch that's on your meat, the more crust you'll have. Okay. Going to put this in with it going against me. Normally, y'all, I let it sit for a couple minutes, but in the essence of time, my grease is ready. You don't want to mess with grease when it gets too hot. I'm cooking these at about 345 degrees. And it'll drop a little bit as I add these. What do you think, Savannah?
Looks good.
Love that chicken from Popeye. You know, in the movie Little Nicky, Adam Sandler said, Popeye's chicken is the shignity. I don't know what that means, but I kind of think it means it's pretty dang good. Now, I'm not going to try to put Indigo's piece in there yet, just because I don't want to get it too close. But I'm going to get this out of the way. While I sneeze a couple more times on that cayenne pepper. Excuse me. All right, so let's get this going. I'm sweating like a prostitute in church. We'll be back in a few minutes. Check on our chicken. All right, y'all, while we're waiting on this chicken to get righteously golden brown, I want you guys to meet the real star of the show. This is Indigo. She's our grandbaby. And she just wanted to say hello. And she's loves my cooking, right? Say, you gonna talk? Say hi. All right, y'all. Indigo says she's gonna have her own channel. She's you mark my words, she will. Thank you, sweetheart. We'll see you in just a little bit. Dinner will be ready in a few, okay? Hope her mama doesn't kill me. All right, let's get our bread ready while we're waiting on this. I wanted some good rolls tonight, and I wouldn't, you know, there's no bread in this town because of the
coronavirus.
I was trying to keep from saying something else. These are Kaiser rolls, and they're always good. This is not what they use, but buddy, this is what we're going to use tonight. Yeah, I promise you. They'll make a daggum. Love that chicken from Popeye. And make a good sandwich. Yeah, no bread anywhere. Can you believe that?
Yeah, I do.
Hell, I'm happy I got these. People have lost their mind. Folks, fear is the devil. If you're worried about this stuff, pray. God's got this. Promise you. All right. Check that out. Let me find something here to flip it over with. I'll say that's looking pretty righteous. Savannah, are you ready for a chicken sandwich?
It looks pretty good.
I promise you. All right, so I've got room now to get indigos in there. Where you get your real flavor from is some of it comes from the marinade, but the largest majority I've found comes from the egg. So I'm just giving her regular egg wash. And our flour, I'm gonna mix it all together because at this point, it's not gonna make that big of a difference. It will give it a hint.
I don't think you'll be able to taste it. I mean, you can taste it, but like.
It's gonna taste just a little bit,
but
enough to go hoorah.
Yeah, it's not gonna hurt it.
From the marinade, but it's not gonna make her go, oh, this is not good. And we don't want to do that. Little girls do not have the palate of big girls and big boys. All right, let's see if we can slide that puppy in there. Right in there. I'd say that's mission accomplished. Let me wash my hands again, and let's toast this bread up. Y'all, I'll be right back. All right, hang in there with us. Hey guys, we're back. Let's toast this bread up a little bit. Old-fashioned style here, baby. These are Kaiser rolls, and they're very good, and they'll be very burned if I don't watch them, Savannah. So keep your eye on me.
Okay.
And I'll keep my eye on that, and you keep your eye on that, and I'll keep my eye on you.
Okay.
Something like that. All right. All right, so we're not going to put anything on our buns when they're done but mayonnaise and pickle. I just think that's the best way to do it. Chick-fil-A didn't put mayonnaise on theirs. And they got people waiting out there in the road 5 miles away for a $7 sandwich and an order of fries. Lord have mercy. I won't get me started on Chick-fil-A. Alright, if you like it, you like it. That's fine. But I mean, it doesn't have crack in it, or maybe it does.
It's good.
When you eat this sandwich here tonight, well, if you'll make one of these and eat it, you'll quit going to Chick-fil-A and Popeyes. You can make these at home. That's what I'm talking about. All right, I'm just killing time while this chicken gets righteously ready. So we're gonna take a quick break so y'all don't have to listen to me ramble on. We'll be right back with Adam Sutler Said. We'll have some Popeye chicken. It's the shindig. Be right. Well, it's time to make some Popeye chicken sandwiches, the Barefoot chef style. This is Indigo's breast. We laid off some of the seasonings for her, but she's ate. She might have been able to handle it, but you never know. Folks, get up close. See, you want some of that chicken on a sandwich tonight. It's easy. This was $5 worth of chicken breast. Couple dollars worth of buns. Yep, couple dollars worth of French fries. Alright, let's put it over here. Help me remember that that's Indigo's. And we're gonna put a little mayonnaise on. Normally I use Japanese. We're out. So, got our buns toasted. While we're doing this, thank you everybody for watching. we want to ask you to please like our videos on YouTube and subscribe on YouTube. If you're not a subscriber, it's free. It helps us. And we also can send you notifications when we have new videos available. Notification bell, Indigo said. All right. Would not be complete. And folks, don't put 2 pickles on there. Put at least 3. Indigo? That's indigo? Yes, it is. Let's make a plate, so folks, I promise you, it's good. It's damn good. And not only that, it did cost $5 a sandwich, and you didn't have to wait in line. Won't you make this? Won't you enjoy this video and while I enjoy this sandwich? And thank you again for watching, viewing. Subscribe if you will, and we'll see you right here next time with Indigo and Savannah on the Barefoot Chef.